chromium metal is used as a rust-resistant coating over steel as shown on this really cool-looking motorcycle here. It is accomplished by reducing chromium ions and having them plate over the metal on the motorcycle. So what element do you think becomes oxidized at the natural gas burning plant? So let's just write that down a second. That's methane. That's natural gas, CH4. So that's a hint. That's going to be involved. So what element gets oxidized that will provide the energy to reduce the chromium? Here's the chromium being reduced. Chromium 3 plus grabs 3 electrons and becomes chromium solid, precipitate, falls out of solution and goes on top of the bike. So take a second if you can figure that out. Just give it a little shot and then come on back to the answer tab in a second. Okay, here's the answer tab. Right there. And let's erase some of this up here. What we have, remember I said methane here? So here's the reaction. You're burning methane, which means methane combines with oxygen. You get carbon dioxide and water as waste products. So over here on the left side, chromium had a -4 charge. Hydrogen had +4. Right? This is one of those examples where the plus oxidation state is the second term there. And then over here we have CO2. Oxygen is -2. There's 2 of them. That's -4. So carbon becomes +4. So what we have going on here, carbon is oxidized. It releases a lot of energy. When you burn methane, you get a lot of energy. And that generates the electric potential. So electrons will move through the wire, reduce the chromium ions, the chromium 3 ions, and then chromium 3 plus, and then plate out as a precipitate on the motorcycle.